It's pleasure to be a part of this forum. आपके साथ हमारी RCCI में मुलाकात होती रहती है. I have been a member since last 4 years, and mashallah, you are a member maybe more than a decade so. You have been, I guess, senior vice president also there. Abhi, I am currently education convener there. Maybe I am the first woman of RCCI who has been a convener or a deputy convener for consecutive 3 years. We have tried to play some positive role in the chamber, and we have tried to be a part of the mainstream chamber to become truly empowered. And as we say, empowered women empower women. So we are trying to do that also. I'm currently running 2 businesses. At the moment, I'm running an outlet which is a multi-designer store where we stock different designers. I'm into clothing since 2003. The other part is that I'm running an edtech startup where we are trying to standardize the education system of Pakistan. On one side, we are trying to standardize the marking system, and on the other side, we are trying to standardize the item development and paper generation. मुश्किल से काम हमने पकड़ा है इसमें. Whenever I am selected in some training or something, तो everybody says you are doing a wonderful job. Why? Because you're working in public sector and you're trying to do something which is a national cause. I am working in public sector. Yes, it is a difficult sector, but again, there is now a will available to change. There is that intention available to change. As you mentioned, Digital Pakistan, so we are digitizing the current education system of Pakistan. I would like to show something too. Okay, as far as women empowerment is concerned, so my topic was past and present. My topic was past and present. Why? Because we have been highlighting women empowerment, kya nahi ho sakta. We have been highlighting women empowerment mein kya problems hai. We have been highlighting national level and any level. International level में भी पाकिस्तान में ये नहीं हो रहा, national level में पाकिस्तान में ये नहीं हो रहा. लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि we have to be now solution oriented to do something in there. I believe कि problems से हटके we need to talk about solutions to have some sustainable development, have some real empowerment, and that truly empowerment actually comes from only economic empowerment. Other than all these empowerments are, yes, a part of empowerment, decision making, inheritance, there are some women rights, violence, everything is a part of that. But again, on one side, I believe that empowering economically is the real empowerment, which can actually lead up to the solution of other empowering issues. I would like to show something, as we are very limited audience, I guess, here. So maybe you can see the picture. Can you see that?
No, I don't think so.
Let me share the screen.
Yeah, now it's okay. Yeah, please.
So as we have a different, social taboos, and we have different biasness, we have different judgmental society. So we need to change ourselves also. Being women, we need to change ourselves also. Unless we change ourselves, we cannot actually hope someone else to play that part, to bring that change in our lives. Nobody gives you a set plate. If somebody asks me, okay, what chamber actually gives you? So I always tell them that there is no set plate for you. Nobody is going to give you a set plate for something. That, okay, this is the success recipe, and you can try that and then you can be successful. Chamber will give you facilitation, different platforms will give you network, but you have to know how to find your route to success. So it's like we only live once, and then the other person would say, wrong, we only die once, we live every day. So this is mainly the perspective how we look at life. You let me know how much time I have so that I can not continue.
Still about 3-4 minutes, please. Keep moving on. Please, you can conclude now.
Okay. So it's like if I need to say something that, okay, we need to truly empower women, and changing their perspective is very important. Then on one side, we need to work on different verticals at parallel. On one side, we need to work on gender equality. On the other side, we need to follow gender parity also, so that we can actually work on merit also. as we say, okay, we can't work late because we are a woman, we can't do this because we are a woman. We need to come out of these self-controlled or society-given biasness, so that you can actually come up to the standards, the merits which are available in the society. So what we think are that we know everything. Most of the time when we talk about women entrepreneurs, we think that we know everything. Nobody has the right to tell us anything. So we need to understand that we need to open up ourselves for learning. As Ruth said, unlearning the learned things, and then we need to start learning. Besides, I am a part of the family. As you said, you are 7 sisters and 1 brother. I am a part of the family. We have 6 sisters and 1 brother, and I'm the youngest in the family. First
great.
one in my family who did MBA, and first one in my family and in-laws who is a serial entrepreneur. So then we have different jumping reasons. In case of women are entrepreneur, in case of society, we have jumping reasons to, we jump to the conclusion very quickly. So we need to understand, as society, as women, as maybe institutions, government, we need to understand that jumping reason need to be stopped. Then we need to understand whose vision we are following. We have to follow our own vision. Then dreams debate is something that whenever we start something like, okay, I'll share something, okay, this is my dream, and the debate will start in the whole family. How can you actually dream about something like this, right? So being a part of different families, we have different backgrounds, different perspectives, different cultures, different setups, different environments, different support. We need to understand how to create that support around us, how to create that support circle around us. So in that case, what we can, right? Because whoever is going to do women empowerment for you, whoever is going to provide you the opportunities, you are the one who has to take benefit out of it. You are the one who has to empower yourself, and then you have to empower others. So in case what we can prioritize our different activities. We can prioritize, we don't have to work, we don't have to do business as a hobby. We have to prioritize that, okay, business and the work is also a main part of the life, right? In case of women entrepreneurs, many of them work as like, okay, having some activity, having a positive activity, staying busy, but you need to prioritize what you can. Then judgment and blame game need to be stopped. We are very, very judgmental. I believe ख़वातीन ज़्यादा जजमेंटल होती हैं, ज़्यादा जल्दी ब्लेम गेम करती हैं. So we need to understand, we need to stop that leg pulling among all us, that so that we can actually empower truly each other and then others. I'm just quickly going through it because so nobody else is going to take initiative for you. So you have to take initiative. That first step is very, very important. If you want to do something, if you want to, grow, if you want to scale up your business, if you want to start your business, if you want to study, if you want to do anything, you have to take that initiative yourself. And then you have to see, okay, who in your circle is giving you that particular support which you need. In case network, as we all say, I'm sitting here because of the network, we are all sitting here because of the network we have. So that network is very, very important, and we need to understand as women, rather as men also, that how that network has to be beneficial for us and how we can actually be beneficial for that particular network. We are also looking for getting something. We're not actually looking for giving something. We need to understand, we need to start giving, and that getting part will come automatically. So once we start giving in the network, we need to understand, okay, how to collaborate, on what levels we need to collaborate, and how can we actually achieve that level. So that network building is extremely important, because as we say, your network is your net worth. So you need to understand how to build that. We lack in this. So these are the few points which our women are not actually prioritizing, and we need to understand that how can we actually help them understand that how important the network is. Then again, learning, as we said, learning is very important. We don't need to not just a technical learning, skill building or something. We need to understand how personal branding, how personal grooming, how personal development is also very, very important. We normally compare our first chapter with someone else's 30th chapter, which should not be there, right?
Okay.
If we are all working, we are all at different stages of life, so we can't compare different stages of life of different people. So we need to understand how to do that. We don't have to compare our first chapter to anyone else 20th 30th chapter. And then if we follow all this, I believe that we can lead. If we follow all that, we need to take initiative, we need to stop judgmenting, we need to start prioritizing, we need to network. Automatically you'll start leading different forums, different part of society, wherever you are, whichever platform you're working on.
Thank you very much, Reba. Okay, let's conclude, please. If you have anything left, please conclude.
So that's only, we need to, how can we do that? Actually, it's easier said than done. Because when you talk to people, तो लोग ये कहते हैं कि जी आपने तो ऐसा कर लिया. It's not that कि आपने ऐसे कर लिया. We also had struggled. We also have different challenges. We have faced different situations also. So we need to confront our fears. मेरे 2 fears जो थे, one was public speaking. And I am speaking today because I decided 2 years back that I have to speak. The other part was the log kya kahenge. This is again a part which is like every woman of Pakistan is facing, from every society, from every culture, from everywhere. So this is something we need to understand कि कौन से लोग क्या कहेंगे has to be important, right?
That's good. Thank you very much. I mean, really honored, and the way you have describe the things, it would be a good learning for many of us. So kindly जरा ये बंद कर दीजिएगा आप अपनी presentation, and then I'll move onward.
Thank you so much for this time. Looking forward to see you inshallah soon.